the government has failed to answer any question. It has shied away and is hiding itself from having a JPC. I think the argument that sometimes our friends from the BJP make, that let the probe happen, let the ED, the CBI, the IT, the authorities probe you, investigate you, harass you, raid you. If you have nothing to hide, open yourself up for investigation. The exact same principle is what we are applying now. If the government and the current dispensation have nothing to hide, why are they shying away from having a JPC? I see no answers coming from the BJP. The finance minister, the prime minister, not a single leader in the BJP has so far come out with the truth. They have not refuted any of the allegations made by the Hindenburg report or by the millions of young Indians who want to know about their future. Public sector undertakings have assets and money of savings of households in this country. It is the duty, the job, the responsibility and the obligation of the government of the day to protect their interests. Sadly, policies have been tweaked, assets have been undervalued, concessions have been made, and people have used government agencies to drive away competition so that one particular company, one particular group gets all the benefits. It's very disheartening that a government that has been in power for the last 8.5 years with a full majority is refusing to allow any investigation, and even now the very weak investigation that they may seem to have agreed upon will just be an open and shut case. We are asking the government of India to open up, to be transparent, to live up to its own commitments. प्रधानमंत्री जी हमेशा बोलते थे ना खाऊंगा ना खाने दूंगा. अभी लाखों करोड़ रुपए जो खा रहे हैं, भाग रहे हैं, इनके लिए वो क्या कर रहे हैं इसका कोई जवाब नहीं. Long, boisterous speeches in Parliament will not take away from the fact that there has been obvious misgovernance, there has been acts of omission and commission, collusion, and prima facie people of India believe that something is wrong. दाल में कुछ काला है. कितना काला है, किसने काला किया, उसकी जानकारी के लिए एक ओपन ट्रांसपेरेंट प्रोब होना चाहिए. इसलिए भारत के पार्लियामेंट की अगर एक जॉइंट पार्लियामेंट्री कमेटी बनती है, उसके बनने से दूध का दूध और पानी का पानी आ जाएगा. मुझे लगता है कि भारत सरकार को और खासकर बीजेपी को, they must come forward and open themselves up for this sort of a investigation. This is the tenets of our democracy being questioned. When leaders, opposition leaders' speeches are expunged from the parliamentary records, it's unbecoming of a healthy democracy. When questions are not answered, there are no press conferences. Parliament में क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं, जवाब मिलता नहीं है. इंक्वायरी आप कराते नहीं हैं, JPC के लिए आप मानते नहीं हैं. आप देश भर में प्रचार कर रहे हैं अपनी ईमानदारी का. So why don't we have this test and let's have an open JPC probe into the entire investigation. That's what we have been demanding. And I think as Congress party, we believe it is our duty as a responsible opposition to ask the right questions, to ask for transparency, for openness, and for asking the BJP to live up to its own words. I see the Prime Minister and the Government of India failing in all these regards. Therefore, public pressure must be mounted. We as Congress party have tried to come on the streets, upper house of parliament, Lok Sabha, everywhere we are trying to make sure that we speak for the interest of the voters, foreign investors, households in this country. Because if people are allowed to get away with this, then people will lose confidence in our regulatory systems, in our banking structures, in our financial strengths. So this is the right time where the BJP should come out and have JPC.